Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create videos using OpenArt AI. If you scroll down here, you can create a vlog based off a character, you can create a music video, or you can even create an explainer video like a tutorial. There's more that you can create here, as you can see. You can even create it from scratch, but I think it's easier to just generate it. I don't have enough credits, but if you select create here, you can kind of enter your voiceover script. You can select your video style here. There's photorealistic, animation, micro world, crayon, pixel art, Ghibli style, and cyberpunk. For the voice actor, you can kind of see there's a lot to choose from. So for instance, this one, you can like play it, and you can hear the sound that you want for your video. You can also select background music. You can upload a song. You can choose some trending songs here, and you're just going to add in your script, and then you're just going to create your story. Same with the rest of the options that they have. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.